Hey guys, I'm showing you this ST rank USB-C to 3.5 mm headphone jack adapter for the iPhone. So here what you can do is like if you have any USB-C device like mobile or anything where there is no aux cable for using your wired headphone, you can use this adapter to convert your USB-C to the aux cable adapter. You see this connector cable is good and flexible, so this will not break easily. This is the aux connector that goes on the one side, and you can use this in a USB-C connector on your mobile or any other place. So here now if your mobile don't have a aux cable, you can still use your wired headset, and then you can easily do the things you want without impacting through the wireless thing. So it's a nice thing to change your adapter of the USB-C to a wired headset. A small adapter you can carry easily and use it anywhere you want. So 3.5 mm jack, durable jacket, and a nickel plated interface with an easy to use thing.